Question number 16. The length L of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is so and so and C is some value, and L and C are given, express L in terms of C. So what do you have? You have 2 points. So you can use the 2-point form to find the equation of the line. Okay? So it is that simple. So let me move on to 17th question. Question number 17. The person sells 980 liters for 14 per liter and he sells 1220 for rupees 16 per liter. So this is how you frame the coordinates. You have to frame the similar x coordinates and similar y coordinates. It's very similar to what you have in a graph. So the x coordinate represents the number of liters of milk and the y coordinate determines the price per liter. Okay, so be very careful when you are assigning the coordinates. So what is asked? Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? So he is asking what is the value of x when he sells at the rate of 17 per liter. So what do you do? So this is a linear graph. You understand that? So you use the collinearity. So this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. So what do you know? Slope AB equals slope BC. That's because of collinearity. Okay. So what is slope AB? This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We have 2 divided by 240 equals minus 1 divided by 1220 minus x. So this is 120. I'm going to cross multiply. So you have 1220 minus x equals minus 120. So when I try to solve this, I take the x. I have 1220 plus 120. So what is it? 1340. So basically the farmer sells 1340 liters of milk at rupees 17 per liter. Okay. Question number 18. AB is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. So this is the axis and it is given that AB is the midpoint. Show that the equation of the line is x divided by A plus y divided by B equals 2. Okay. So since this is the midpoint, so let this point be. So here we have the value of x and y is 0. So we have x comma 0 and here you have 0 comma y. By using the midpoint form, the coordinate of C is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Right? So what do we know? A equals x by 2 and B equals y by 2. That means x equals 2a and y equals 2b. So what does the coordinate become now? 0 comma y is nothing but 0 comma 2b. X comma 0 is nothing but 2a comma 0. So now we need to find the equation of this line. We have 2 points. So we have points 0 comma 2b and 2a comma 0. Let's find the equation of this line. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So you have y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. So this is the 2-point form. Remember? So you have, I'm multiplying it by 2a. So I have 2ay minus 4ab equals minus 2bx. Okay, I'm bringing the x to one side and the constant to the other side. So I have 2bx plus 2ay equals 4ab. Since I needed 2 here, what am I going to do? I'm going to divide the equation by 2ab. So when I divide this by 2ab, what do I get? 2b and 2b gets cancelled. I have x divided by a plus 2ay. So 2a gets cancelled. I have y divided by b. And what is left? 4ab divided by 2ab. ab and ab goes off. 4 and 2 is 2. Hence proved. Okay. So question number 19. What do we have? Point R h comma k divides the line segment between the axis. So you have the axis, you have x comma 0 and 0 comma y. You have the point R which divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2. You always go from x-axis to y-axis. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2. Okay. So they have given that R divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2. Find the equation of the line. Okay. So what do? The point h comma k equals mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So when I substitute the values, what is your m? M is 1, n is 2. So m x2 which is 0 plus n x1 which is 2x divided by 1 plus 2 comma m y2 which is y plus n y1 which is 0 divided by 1 plus 2. So what do you have? 2x by 3 comma y by 3 which is h comma k. So what do you have? Your h is 2x by 3. So x equals 3h by 2. Your k equals y by 3. Your y equals 3k. So your coordinates now become 3h by 2 comma 0. That is your A. And your B becomes 0 comma 3k. Now you have 2 points. You can use the 2 slope form. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is your form? Y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it's minus 3h by 2 times x minus x1, 3h by 2. Now multiplying this by 3h by 2. So I have minus 3h by 2 times y equals 3kx minus 3 3s are 9kh divided by 2. Okay. So I'm going to consolidate the x and the y's. So I have 3kx plus 3h by 2y minus 9kh divided by 2. I'm going to divide the whole equation by 3kh. So what do I get? 3k goes off. So I have x divided by h plus 3h goes off. So I have k. So y divided by 2k minus 3, 9. So it becomes 3. K and h get cancelled. So you have 3 divided by 2 equals 0. So this is your equation. You can even further simplify it by multiplying the whole fraction by 2. So what do you get? 2x divided by h plus y divided by k minus 3 equals 0. Okay, this is your final equation. Question number 20. By using the concept of equation of a line, prove that the 3 points 3, 0, minus 2, minus 2 and 8, 2 are collinear. So what do you do? Question number 20. So you take 3, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 8, 2. You have 3 points. You have to use the equation of a line to prove that they are collinear. If you have to use the slope, what will you do? You have slope AB equals slope BC. So if you prove this, they are collinear. How do you prove this by using the equation? So you take A and B, you find the equation of AB using 2-point form. What is it? Y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. You find an equation. You'll get an equation in terms of x and y. So this will be your equation. Take the third point. Take 8, 2 and substitute it in the equation. Substitute it in the equation. So if you get the value to be 0, it means that the 3 points are collinear. Okay? Try to do this on your own and let me know in the comment section if you found it very easy to solve this question. Okay? So thank you so much for watching Math and Me with me, Nikhila Shankar. So with this, we finished exercise 10.2. So in the subsequent videos, you'll be seeing more questions from the subsequent exercises. Okay? Thank you so much.